Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're taking a closer look at the BLACK+DECKER BDH2000PL Max Lithium Pivot Vacuum, a compact yet powerful vacuum that promises strong suction, fade-free power, and a clever pivoting nozzle for more effective cleaning. We'll break down its features, performance, and how it holds up in real-world use, so stick around as we dive into all the details. The BLACK+DECKER BDH2000PL is a 20-volt cordless vacuum designed to provide high suction power while being lightweight and versatile. The key feature here is its pivoting nozzle, which gives you flexibility and reach in tight spaces, something that's especially handy when cleaning stairs, under furniture, or in your car. In addition to the pivoting nozzle, this vacuum uses lithium battery technology to ensure consistent power throughout your cleaning session, with no drop-off in suction. It comes with a premium pleated filter, providing superior filtration and making it ideal for homes with allergies or for those sensitive to dust and particles. The filter is also replaceable, which is a nice touch for maintaining its performance over time. This vacuum is compatible with several other models like the PHV1810 and PHV1210, so if you're already using one of those, it can be a convenient backup. Now let's talk performance. The suction power on this vacuum is impressive for a compact model. It handles debris like crumbs, dust, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets without issue. On hard floors, the suction is strong enough to grab the smallest particles, and it does a solid job of lifting pet hair from low-pile carpets. On thicker carpets, it can sometimes struggle a bit, especially with larger debris, but it still does a decent job overall. The pivoting nozzle makes it easier to get under furniture and around obstacles, and it gives you a great range of motion, even in tricky spots like stairs and upholstery. For people who deal with pet hair or fine dust, the filtration system here is a standout. The pleated filter is designed to trap more particles, ensuring that air quality remains high even as you clean. It's easy to maintain, and swapping out the filter when needed is a quick process. If you suffer from allergies, this vacuum could definitely be an asset in your home. When it comes to handling, the BDH2000PL is light, and the ergonomics are comfortable, even during extended cleaning sessions. The 20-volt lithium battery gives you around 15 to 20 minutes of continuous runtime on a full charge, which is standard for vacuums in this category. It's not the longest runtime we've seen, but it's enough for smaller cleaning tasks or for quick touch-ups. The charging time is fairly quick, and the vacuum's compact design means it won't take up too much space when stored. As for the noise level, it's a bit louder than some higher-end models, but not obnoxiously so. It's certainly not quiet, but it's not unbearable either. You'll likely notice it more in smaller, quieter spaces, but it shouldn't be a deal-breaker unless you're particularly sensitive to noise. Let's talk about the attachments included in the package. This model doesn't come with a ton of accessories, but it does include the essential crevice tool for tight corners and upholstery. While it doesn't have a brush roll for pet hair specifically, the suction power on its own is sufficient for most pet owners. If you're primarily looking for a vacuum to clean up after your pets, it might not be the most specialized option, but it certainly gets the job done in most situations. One thing to keep in mind is the size of the dustbin. While it's sufficient for daily cleaning, you may find yourself needing to empty it more often if you're cleaning larger areas or doing deep cleans. It's easy to empty, and the bin design is straightforward, but it's worth noting that it's not as large as some corded vacuums, so frequent emptying might become a bit of a chore if you've got a lot of ground to cover. Now, no product is perfect, and while the BDH2000PL does a lot of things right, there are some areas where it could improve. The main downside is its performance on thicker carpets. While it handles low-pile carpets and hard floors well, it can struggle with embedded dirt or larger debris on plush carpets. The runtime, at around 15 to 20 minutes, is also a bit limiting if you're trying to clean a larger space in one go. And while it's not overly heavy, it may feel a bit less maneuverable than other vacuums with swivel or ball technology, especially when you need to clean around furniture legs. When it comes to value, the BDH2000PL offers a solid mix of performance and affordability. If you're looking for a lightweight, cordless vacuum for smaller spaces or a secondary vacuum for quick cleanups, this model is definitely worth considering. It handles daily cleaning tasks well, offers decent suction, and provides good filtration for the price. If you need something with a longer battery life or more specialized attachments though, you might want to look elsewhere. In terms of alternatives, the BDH2000PL stands out for its pivoting nozzle and compact size, but there are other models in the same price range worth considering. The Dyson V7 trigger is a more expensive option, but it offers similar suction power and a more robust set of attachments, especially for pet owners. If you're on a tighter budget, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser cordless hand vacuum might be a better choice, with a more targeted design for tackling pet hair, though it's not as versatile as the BLACK+DECKER. In terms of build quality, the BDH2000PL feels solid enough for its price. The plastic is durable, and the components fit together securely, with no wobbling or loose connections. Maintenance is easy. Just rinse the filter, clear out the dustbin, and you're good to go. As for longevity, while we haven't had the vacuum long enough to provide detailed long-term data, BLACK+DECKER has a good track record with this series, and the vacuum feels like it can handle regular use without major issues. If you have any questions about this vacuum, or if you've already used it in your own home, feel free to leave a comment below. We always love hearing from you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now, and remember, when it comes to cleaning, a little extra power goes a long way.